Welcome back to Dat Crazy Fish. Hope y'all doing good out there today. We're gonna be taking off this lower unit to change my water pump on the inside. To get to it, we have to disconnect this shift shaft right here, which you gotta pay attention to how it's located right now. And then, since I'm gonna be pulling this apart, changing out all the seals, I'm just gonna go ahead and drain the oil first. And I'm also gonna take out this prop. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this first, this shift shaft. There you go. Next, I'm going to drain the oil. Release the top one first, just so it can have a little airflow. Be careful not to lose the washer in here. Make sure you check your gear lube, see if there's any discoloration or anything. That was a tough one. So this bottom one is supposed to be magnetic, which is not magnetic. Somebody changed it up. See, this bottom one is supposed to be magnetic to capture all the metal particles that's inside the prop shaft. Bulb right here that you need to go in here with this flat screwdriver and carefully bend it out. That way the nut can come loose. This little tab is to lock the nut in from coming undone. Okay. Now you jam something in here to stop the prop from spinning. There you go. Be sure to hang on to this, don't lose it. Now we just pull this off. Oh, it looks pretty disgusting in here. Pretty disgusting, but we'll worry about that later. Next, there's 5 bolts holding this prop shaft housing. 2 on this side and 2 on this side. And there's one all the way in here. Since my trim tab is broken, I just remove it, and I already have a replacement for it. This nut on the inside of here, under here, takes a 15. There's a washer with it, so be careful. This thing is pretty corroded in there. we're gonna move on to this side. Now that you're on your last boat, be sure to put your hand on the prop shaft housing so it doesn't just slide right down. Yeah, I definitely need to lube up these bolts when I put it back together. It's pretty darn dry. There you go. Now we're just gonna slide it right out. Just like that. And voila. This is our water pump right here. And since I'm here, look at this boot. Good thing I bought a replacement.